Scottish Oatmeal Rolls. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Healthy Hiccups. Today, we have something truly special for you. We'll be preparing the most popular Scottish oatmeal rolls. So let's get started. Ingredients: 1½ cups boiling water, 1½ cups old-fashioned oats, 1/3 cup packed brown sugar, 1½ teaspoons salt, 1 tablespoon canola oil, 1 package, 1/4 ounce, active dry yeast, 1/4 cup warm water, 110 degree to 115 degrees, 2 3/4 to 3 1/4 cups all-purpose flour. Optional, butter and honey. Directions: 1. Pour boiling water over oats in a large bowl. Add brown sugar, salt and oil. Cool to 110 degrees 115 degrees, stirring occasionally. Meanwhile, in a small bowl, dissolve yeast in warm water. Let stand 5 minutes. Add to oat mixture. Beat in enough flour to form a stiff dough. Dough will be sticky. 2. Turn dough onto a floured surface. Knead until smooth and elastic, 6-8 minutes. Place in a greased bowl, turning once to grease the top. Cover. Let rise in a warm place until double, about 1 hour. 3. Punch dough down. Turn onto a lightly floured surface. Divide and shape into 24 balls. Place in a greased 13 by 9 in baking pan. Cover with a kitchen towel. Let rise in a warm place until double, about 30 minutes. 4. Preheat oven to 350 degrees. Bake until lightly browned, 20-25 minutes. Remove from pan to a wire rack to cool. If desired, serve with butter and honey. Nutrition facts: 1 roll, 89 calories, 1 gram fat, 0 saturated fat, 0 cholesterol, 149 milligrams sodium, 17 grams carbohydrate, 3 grams sugars, 1 gram fiber, 2 grams protein. Diabetic exchanges: 1 starch.